if you've ever wondered how to generate hashtags for Instagram, you may have seen loads of Instagram posts with all sorts of hashtags on and thought to yourself, where do people just think those up or what? Well, they don't. They use places like this, all hashtag, as you can see here, allhashtag.com/hashtag generator.php. And this is one of the places where you can generate hashtags, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and then how to save them. So in here, these are some of the things I've looked at before. Let's just say, all right, entrepreneur, I'll go marketing. That's one of mine. And then I click on marketing's gone in there, or I just type in marketing, whatever it may be, and that's it. I can also hit a random button, by the way, as you can see there. It's in white. It's not very good, but you can see it. So I've typed in marketing. I'm going to ask it to generate. And what it's going to do is it's doing random at the moment. If I want the very top ones, then I would click on the bit where it said top. So random results for marketing. And best random hashtags. And here you can see all of these hashtags. Now, that's okay. However, back on the home page, if we click this button here that says top, we go from random to live. Live shows you what's happening right now. So let's just go top. So the top words for top hashtags for, let's say, marketing. And I'm going to say generate. So what's going to happen now? All hashtags are going to start generating a list of hashtags, and those hashtags will be all the sort of best top hashtags. As you can see, marketing, marketing digital, marketing online, so on and so forth. Now, you can copy those hashtags. It just says there, copy. And let's just do that. Copied. And there you can see all the hashtags, not for marketing. Turn marketing, marketing, marketing digital, so on and so forth. One of mine, my main one, hashtag is digital marketing, online marketing, marketing consultant. That's also in there. You can then take these, hit the copy there, and it will copy them for you. And then if you're like me, you will take an Excel spreadsheet, and I just take this, and I've got here headlines, marketing, fitness, music, entrepreneur, family, personal development, sales, online marketing, business, startups, random. And I can then copy those. I was to hit paste and copy those in here. And I do believe that if I do that, yeah, they've copied into this column here. So all I'm doing now is text wrap and then just open that up a little bit. And we have our hashtags. I'll open it up a bit more, but the point is we have all our hashtags in here. And I don't actually need that anymore. I'll delete that in a second. But you've got all your hashtags there. If you click on one of these, then in the box here at the top, you have the ability to copy these or copy a couple of them, put them into Instagram and just click on and put a space in between them. And away you go. Saves you loads of time, loads of money, and you also know that you are using the sort of top hashtags for your particular keyword, if you will. So that is how to use, or where to find and sort of save hashtags for use on Instagram. Remember, all hashtag, all top there, all hashtag.com/hashtag-generated.php. Give it a go.